Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 3 playing with numbers, exercise 3.3. Write down the first question. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, by 8, by 9, by 10, by 11. Say yes or no. Already we know, suppose divisible by 2 means if it is cast any of the digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Suppose the divisibility by 3 means the sum of the digits multiples of 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. So first check it, first digit number. It's divisible by 2 or 4 or 3 or 5. Suppose multiple of 10, 20. Multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 means it's divisible by 10. Okay. So first check it, unit digit, average second digit. It's suppose divisible by 0, divisible by 2, 3, 4 and the remainder is 0 means it's divisible. Remainder not 0 means it's not divisible. Suppose remainder 0 means it's yes answer, not 0 some number will come means it's not divisible. So first check it, unit digit, average second digit, 10th digit, average 100 digits. Okay, write the solution. Listen, first number 128. First check it, unit digit 8 is there. So 2 table, 4 2s are 8, it is divisible. Next 3 table, not possible, 8 is there, 3 3s are 9 will come, so it's no. Next 4 table, 2 4s are 8, next 3 4s are 12, 128 is divisible by 4. Next 5 means multiple of 5, 10, 15, but here 8 is, so it's not possible. Next 6 is there, so 6 table means 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. First 2 6 are 12. Next 8 is there, 1 6 is 6, so it's not possible. Next 8 table, 1 8s are 8, remainder 4, 48, 6 8s are 48. Okay, it's yes. Next 3 not possible means 9 also not possible. 5 not possible means 10 also not possible. 11 check it, 1 11 is 11, remainder 1 18, 1 11 is 11, remainder 7. So 11 also not possible. So one by one, first check it, unit digit, average second. Small number means no, nothing. If 0, 990, it's 2 table possible. 3 table check it, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 4 not possible, 5 possible, unit digit 0, 5 10 is possible, other 11 is not possible. 11 means 9 9s are 99, next 0, it's possible, yes. Okay, so check the all the digits, unit digits first, after second. If any conversion, divisible using divisible method, division method, also no problem. Okay, next 275 means unit digit is 5, so 5 table possible, 10 table possible, other not possible. Suppose check it, 3 table, 5 3s are 15, but 9 3s are 27, remainder 5 is there, 1 3s are 3, remainder 2, so it is not possible. Next 6,39,220, so it's 2 table possible, 5 table possible, 10 table, other check and write. Okay, understand? So first check it, unit table, unit digits 2 4 6 8. Suppose 8 means 2 table, 4 table, 8 table, check and write. Just give yes or no only. Okay, write down the second question. Question 2. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible 4 and 8. Using divisible test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 4, 8. A question 572. Unit digit 2. So 572 divisible by 4. Check and write. First take 72. 4 table means 18. 1 4s are 4, remainder 3, 32. 8 3s are 32. Equal to 0. So it is divisible by 4. Okay, the number, the last two digits are given, the number is 72. So remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 4. Now check 572 divisible by 8 or not. 500, so 8 table, 7 8s are 56, remainder 1. Next 2, 1 8s are 8, remainder 4. So hence 572 is not divisible by 8. Okay, 572 unit digit is 2. So first unit digit and 10th digit. 72 divisible by 4. In 8 means the number formed by last 3 digit is number 572. It's not divisible by 8. B question 7,26,352. First check it divisible by 4 or not. First take the number formed by the last 2 digits. Given number is 52. Check and write. 4 table. 1 4s are 4, remainder 1, 2, 3 4s are 12. So remainder is 0. So 7,26,352 is divisible by 4. Remainder is 0 means divisible by 4. Suppose if you want means write in full number and divisible by. Divisible by 8, the number formed the last 3 digits of the given number 352. 4 8s are 32. Remainder 3, next 2, 4 8s are 32, remainder is 0. So 7,26,352 is divisible by 8. It is divisible. Okay, first check in unit digit, next last 2 digit, next last 3 digit. Suppose 0 means divisible, not 0 means not divisible. Right, C question 5,500. It's divisible by 4 or and 8. It's divisible by 4. Here the last 2 digit of the given number is 0. Hence 5,500 is divisible by 4. Suppose 4 table. 1 4s are 4, remainder 1, 15. 3 4s are 12, remainder 3, 30. 7 4s are 28, remainder 2, 0. 7 4s are 5 4s are 20. So it is 0, divisible by 4. Next check it divisible by 8. Take in last 3 digits of the given number 500. 500 check it. 6 8s are 48, 2 20. 2 8s are 16, remainder 4. So hence 5,500 is not divisible by 8. Suppose 0 means divisible, not 0 means remainder 4, not 0. So it is not divisible by 8. D question 6,000. First given number 6,000 divisible by 4. Here the last 2 digit of the given number is 0. Hence 6,000 is divisible by 4. Suppose say 1 4s are 4, remainder 20. 5 4s are 20. 0 0. So check it 8 divisible by 8. Here the last 3 digit of the given number also 0. Check it. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Remainder 4 40. 5 8s are 40. Next 0. So remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 8. Last 3 digit. The given number are 0. So it is divisible. Next question, 12,159. Check it, unit digit 9. Take last two terms, two digits, 59. Divisible by 4, 1 4s are 4, remainder 1, 19, 4 4s are 16, remainder is 3. So 12,159 is divisible by 4, remainder is 3, so it is not divisible. Next, 8, last 3 digit number, 159. 1 8s are 8, 15 minus 8, 7, 79, 9 8s are 72, remainder 7. So it is not divisible by 8. First check unit digit, next last 2 digit, next last 3 digits. Remainder is 7, so it is not divisible. Suppose 0 means it is divisible. Write the next question. 14,560. Here the number formed the last 2 digit 60. 1 4s are 4, remainder 2, 20, 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So remainder is 0. So it is divisible by 4. Next, 8 as last 3 digits, 560. 7 8s are 56, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48, 7 8s are 56. So next 0. So remainder is 0. 8 also divisible by 8. So 560 divisible by 8. Next question, 21,084. Here the number formed by last 2 digit. The given number 84. 2 4s are 8, remainder 0. Next 4, 1 4s are 4. So 21 into 4, 84. Remainder is 0. Hence 21,084 is divisible by 4. If you want check means full number also. 5 4s are 20, remainder 1, 10, 2 4s are 8, 28, 7 4s are 28, 1 4s are 4, remainder is 0. Next, divisible by 8. Here the number formed, the last 3 digit is 84. 84. So 1 8s are 8, remainder 0. Next 4, not possible, put 0. So 10 8s are 80, remainder 4. Hence 21,084 is not divisible by 8. If you want check means full number. 21 means 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. So 2 8s are 16, remainder 5, 50. 3 8s are 24, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. Next 28, 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. Next 44, 5 8s are 40, remainder 4. So it is not divisible by 8. Next question, 31795072. 3 crore 17 lakhs 95,092. 72. Divisible by 4. Hence the number formed by last 2 digits of the given number 72. 72, check it. 1 4s are 4, remainder 3, 32. 8 4s are 32. So 32 minus 32, 0. Remainder 0. Hence the divisibility by 4. Suppose if you want means write full number and divisible and check it. It's no problem. It's divisibility test also type using simplest method. Next, divisibility by 8. Here the number formed by the last 3 digit of the number 072. 072. So 9 8s are 72. 72 minus 72 is 0. Remainder 0. Hence 3 crore 17 lakhs 95,072 is divisible by 8. If you want means write full number and divide by 8, no problem, but is using divisibility set test, so using simplest method. Next question, 1700. Take last two numbers, last 2 digit of the given number is 00. Hence 1700 is divisible by 4. Suppose 4 4s are 16, remainder 1 10. 2 4s are 8, remainder 2 20. 5 4s are 20. Remainder is 0. So it is divisible. Suppose not 0 means it is not divisible. This 1700 is divisible by 4. Next check it, divisibility by 8. Here the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number. Digits last 3 number is 700. So 8 8s are 64, remainder 6 60. 7 8s are 56. 60 minus 56 equal to 4. So remainder equal to 4. Hence 1700 is not divisible by 8. 1700 is not divisible by 8. Divisible by 4 but not divisible by 8. Next question. 2150. 2150. First check it, divisibility by 4. Here the number formed the last 2 digit of the given number 50. 2150. Last 2 digit number 50. Check it. 1 4s are 4. Remainder 1 10. So 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. So remainder equal to 2. Hence 2150 is not divisible by 4. 5 4s are 20. Remainder 1 15. 3 4s are 12, 30. 7 4s are 28. Remainder 2. So it is not divisible. Next check divisibility by 8. Here the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number equal to 150. 150. 150. First 8 table. 1 8s are 8. Remainder 7. 70. 8 8s are 64. 70 minus 64 equal to 6. So remainder is 6. Not divisible by 8. Hence 2150 is not divisible by 8. Okay. Write down the next question. Question 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 6. A question, 2,97,144. Okay, we know that a number is divisible by 6 if it is also divisible by both 2 and 3. Given number 2,97,144. Yes, even digit at its ones place, so it is divisible by 2. Even unit digit is 4, so it is divisible by 2. The sum of all the digits of 2,97,144 equal to 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, total 27. It is divisible by 3. 27. 9 3s are 27. So hence the given number is divisible by 6. Suppose divisible by 2 and 3. It is also divisible by 6. 2 3s are 6. So add sum of all the digits. 27 divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 6. B question, 1258, 1258, its given number on even digits. So 8 is ones place, it's divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 2, 4 2s are 8, remainder 0. Next, the sum of all digits, 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 16, which is not divisible by 3, 5 3s are 15, 16 means remainder 1, so it is not divisible by 6. Suppose both are divisible by 2 and 3, divisible means 6 also divisible. Here 2 is divisible but 3 is not divisible, so it not divisible by 6. Next question, 4335, 4335, the digit at ones place, the given number not even, so it is not divisible by 2. Unit digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, the sum of all the digits of 4335, 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, 15, which is divisible by 3. 5 3s are 15, but 2 is not divisible, 3 is divisible. 2 is divisible, 3 is also divisible, means 6 is divisible, so it is not divisible by 6, both 2 and 3, therefore it is not divisible by 6. D question, 61,233, the digit at ones place of the given number is not even. Ones digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 2. Next, the sum of the digits of the given number 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 15, which is divisible by 3. 15, 5 3s are 15, so it is divisible by 3. Since the given number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, it's divisible means 2 also divisible, 3 also divisible, then 6 is divisible, but here 2 is not divisible, 3 is divisible, so it is not divisible by 6. E question, 90 lakhs 1352, the digit at ones place of the given number is even. 2, ones digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Next, the sum of all the digits of the given number 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 20, so which is not divisible by 3. Okay, 20, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, here not divisible by 3. So since the given number is not divisible by both 2 and 3, hence it is not divisible by 6. Write down next question, 4,38,750, the digit at ones place of the given number is 0, so it is divisible by 2. Ones place given number is 0, it is divisible by 2. Next, the sum of all the digits of the given number 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 0 equal to 27, so which is divisible by 3. 9 3s are 27, so it is divisible by 3, so 2 divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, so the given number it is divisible by 6. Next question, 17,90,184, the digit at ones place given number is even. 4, ones digit is 4, so 2 2s are 4, it is divisible by 2. Next, the sum of all the digits of the given number 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4, 30, which is divisible by 3. 10 3s are 30, remainder 0, so it is divisible by 3. So it is this number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, hence the given number is divisible by 6. Write down the next question, 12,583, given number, the digit of ones place given number is odd, 3 is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Sum of all the digits of the given number 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3, total 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21. 19 is not divisible by 3. So 2 also not divisible, 3 also not divisible. So it's not divisible by 6. Next question, 6,39,210. The digit of ones place the given number is 0. It is divisible by 2. Next, the sum of all the digits of the given number 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 equal to 21. 21 which is divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21. So remainder 0. It is divisible by 3. So 6,39,210 divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 6. Okay. Write down next question, 17,852. The digit at ones place of the given number is even. One's digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. The sum of all the digits of the given number 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 5 plus 2 equal to 23, which is not divisible by 3. 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Here 23 is not remainder. It is divisible by, not divisible by 3. So 17,852 divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So the given number is not divisible by 6. Okay, hence the given number is not divisible by 6. Write down the fourth question. Fourth question, using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. A question, 5 4 4 5. We know that a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits even places from the right of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11. Divisible 11 means 11, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110. Okay. First question, 5,445. Sum of the digits at odd places. Odd places, listen, from right. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Next is sum of the digits at even places from right. 4 plus 5, 9. Now difference is sum of digit odd place and sum of digit at even places. Both are 9. 9 minus 9 equal to 0. So hence the given number is divisible by 11. If you need alternative, ordinary use divisible method, 5 4 4 5 divided by 11. Remainder is 0 only. Okay. So 5,405. For the 5,445 is divisible by 11. Second question, 10,824. So sum of the digit at odd places from right. 4 plus 8 plus 1, 13. Next is sum of the digits at even places. 2 plus 0 equal to 2. Now difference is 13 minus 2 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11, which is divisible by 11. So hence the number is divisible by 11. 10,824 is divisible by 11. 71 lakhs 38,965. So sum of the digit at odd places from right. 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 24. Next, sum of the digits at even places. 6 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 15. Now difference sum of the digit odd places and sum of the digits even places. 24 minus 15 equal to 9. 9 is not divisible by 11. Start from 11 table. 11 divisible by 11 means 11, 22, etc. 9 is not divisible by 11. So is the given number is not divisible by 11. Write down D question. 7 crore 1,69,308. Now sum of the all the digits of odd places from right. 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0 equal to 17. Next sum of all the digits at even places. 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 equal to 17. Now difference 17 minus 17 equal to 0. So 0 means the given number is divisible by 11. Okay, first sum of all digit odd digit number. Next sum of all the digits at even places. Even places. First next difference sum of all digits odd places and sum of all the digits in even places. 17 minus 17 is 0. So hence the given number is divisible by 11. Write down E question. 1 crore and 1. Solution. Sum of all the digits of odd places. 1 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 1. Next sum of all the digits at even places. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. So the difference between sum of all the digits of odd places and sum of all the digits at even places. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So hence the number is divisible by 11. First write in sum of all the digits at odd places 1. Next sum of all the digits at even places also 1. Difference 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So hence the given number is divisible by 11. Next write down question 5. Write the smallest digit and the greatest digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the number formed is divisible by 3. A question. Does 6724. We know that the number is divisible by 3 if the number of all the digits of the number is also divisible by 3. So now sum of the digit 4 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 equal to 19. 19 not divisible by 3. So the smallest digit to be placed is blank is 9 plus 2. Next number 20 also not divisible. 21 is divisible by 3. So add 2. The smallest digit to be placed is blank space 2 plus 9. 2 plus 19 equal to 21. So it is divisible by 3. Next the greatest digit to be placed the blank space equal to 8. Now 21, 24, 27. Next 30. So then the sum of 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 equal to 27 which is divisible by 3. So smallest digit is 2. Smallest digit to blank space in 2. The greatest digit to be placed in blank space is 8. Next B question. 4765 dash 2. So sum of the digit 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 equal to 24. So 24 divisible by 3. 8 3s are 24. So the smallest digit to be placed in blank space is 0 only. Then the sum 24 plus 0 equal to 24 which is divisible by 3. Next the greatest digit to be placed in the blank space is 9. 24 plus 9 33. 33 is 11 3s are 33 which is divisible by 3. Hence the required digit 0 and 9. Question 6. Write a digit in the blank space of each of the following numbers so that the numbers formed is divisible by 11. 92-389. A question 92-389. Sum of the digit at odd places 9 plus 3 plus 2. 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14. Sum of the digits at even places. Even places 8 dash 9 equal to 17. Now difference between odd, even and odd places. 17 dash minus 14 equal to 17 minus 14 equal to 3. So for the given number to be divisible by 11, 8 plus 3 equal to 11. So dash plus 3 equal to 11, 11 minus 3 equal to 8. The missing digit is 8. Hence the required number is 928389. B question 8-9484. 8-9484. So sum of the digit of odd places 4 plus 4 equal to 8. Next even places 8 plus 9 plus 8 25. 25 minus 8 17. 25 minus 8 17. The difference between sum of digits of odd place and sum of digits at even places. So 25 minus 8 equal to 17. So for the given number to divisible by 11, 17 minus 0 equal to 11. So 17 minus 11 equal to 6. So the missing digit equal to 6. Hence the required number 86948. Okay. So the missing digit is 6. 17 minus 11 equal to 6. Hence the required number 86948. Thank you.